If you're watching this, there was a lot of steps involved, and you may have missed a step if you got the incorrect answer. So let's look at how this is done. We distribute to get rid of the parentheses. It's not the only way to do the problem, but I'm going to distribute to get rid of the parentheses. So we've got 2k minus 3 on that side. I can also combine some like terms. I can simplify the expression first. I know that the 6 and the minus 3 can be combined because they are like terms. So I've got 3 plus 3k there to work with. Now I've simplified both sides of the inequality. I can now get my k's together. I could subtract 3k from both sides, but then I'd have a negative number to worry about. I'm going to subtract 2k from both sides because 2k minus 2k is 0, so no longer there to worry about. And I've got 3 plus 1k over there. Or, because if you're like me, you're lazy, you just write the k. 3k's minus 2k's is just a k. Okay, and then you're going to subtract 3 from both sides, get all our non-k's together, and negative 3 minus, oh, I know what I did wrong. I already made a mistake. I didn't make a mistake before, but I did now. 2 times 3 is not 3 up here. 2 times 3 is 6. There we go. And so this should be then that negative 6. Negative 6 minus 3 is going to give me that negative 9 that I have for my answer. And I ended up then with what's in red here, that negative 9 is greater than k, because negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. If you had it flipped around, that would be okay too. All right, for the bottom one here, again, we're solving. I'm going to try and simplify my life if I can. And so I've got an x here, I've got an x there. So I'm going to combine my x's together. 0.5x plus 1.9x is going to give me negative 0.3 plus 2.4x, which is less than 0.3x plus 6. There we go. We got that one from there. And if I go at it, then I want to get my k's together. So I'm going to, my x's together, excuse me. I'm going to subtract 0.3x from both sides, again, just to avoid negatives. If you subtracted 2.4x from both sides, that's fine. That's fine. We have negative 0.3 plus 2.1x is less than 6. Get my non-x's together. I'm going to add 3/10 to both sides, 0.3. I then end up with 2.1x is less than 6.3. There we go. And if I divide then, both sides divided by 2.1, divided by 2.1, I should end up with not 2. Man, I'm making a couple mistakes. So not 2 here. If we divide 6.3 divided by 2.1 should be 3, which means that my graph needs to be adjusted ever so slightly to there. And that is an open circle. And so it should be that x is less than 3 for this one. And that's how that one is done.